Good afternoon, sir. Is everything going good?
Yes, it all seems going calm. Hey, look there, someone is being crushed under the crane.
Sorry, sir, he is no more.
What? Inform to Medicare and you should be in my office within 2 minutes. Can I see the job hazard analysis in that workplace where the incident has happened?
But, we don't have JHA for that workplace, sir. Is that mandatory, sir? How come you are a safety officer without the knowledge of JHA in the workplace? More than 2.5 million people have been injured and some even died only due to hazards in the industry. The hazards are increasing only due to improper JHA. I'm very sorry, sir. Can you please explain how JHA is being useful for mitigating the hazards? Well, it is used to identify how to perform jobs step-by-step hazards related to the work controls to mitigate the hazard. It's totally fine, sir. But, we must educate the workers first. Can you tell me on which skills we should train our workers?
Yeah, sure. You need to educate the workers on these 3 points. They should always work with a legitimate permit to work form. They should always report on uncontrolled hazards. They should always stop to spot the work before starting any hazardous work.
I will conduct an audit and educate our workers now, sir. Can I take leave, sir?
Sure, but make it as soon as possible.
Hello all, we all lost a sincere worker. The one thing you have to know is that he lost his life for not following job hazard analysis.
Can you please explain what is the hazard?
Yeah, sure, Mahesh. Anything that has the potential to cause harm, injury, illness, and damage to the personnel, equipment, and environment is termed as a hazard. The examples can be working at heights, fire, explosion, and many more.
Okay, sir, but how can we eliminate those hazards? Are there any ways to mitigate them?
That's a great question, Kumar. There are 3 controls those are used to minimize or eliminate hazards. There are 3 sorts of controls. They are engineering control, administrative controls, personal protective equipment pay.
Can you explain them in detail, sir?
Sure, Mohit. You must consider engineering controls first. If you thought that a hazard can be resolved by repairing that equipment, please inform your superior. The examples of engineering controls are the lattice, cold or hot equipment, confined space, dropped objects. Secondly, administrative controls deal with changes within the working procedures like safety policies, rules, supervision, schedules, training for workers on chemicals or situations. But if you need any training on the skill, you can ask for an audit like this. Last but not least is the personal protective equipment. It is the last line defense. PPA is that the worship for all safety professionals. It's sworn to minimize the exposure to a hazard that causes serious workplace illness and injury.
Okay, sir, we got all that now. From now we will follow job hazard analysis before attempting any task. Thanks for the information, sir.
Sir, I have trained the workers as instructed by you.
That's so nice. Have you provided them certification for attending your audit?
No, sir, I haven't provided them.
Kindly ask them to write a skill test and provide certifications accordingly.
Sure, sir, I'll provide them with one. Now, you need to write an exam on this skill and have to get certified.
Sure, sir, but where can I find the link for the exam?
The link for the exam is in the description of this video. Click it, write and get certified for free.
Sure, sir, thank you.